Thank you very much, Vice President Lucia Gonzalez. So, partner, at this point, let us not keep them waiting. To formally introduce our honorable speaker this morning, please welcome the ever-supportive advisor of the Social Sciences Society and also an alumnus of Central Escolar University, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Lorenzo S. Hipolito Jr.
Our guest speaker earned the degree Doctor of Laws in the United States. Dr. Miriam Defensor Santiago is highly globally famous personality because of her legal brilliance and courageous example in fighting corruption. She has brought honor in the Philippines in several ways. She was named one of the 100 most powerful women in the world by the Australian magazine. She was chosen as laureate of the Magsaysay Award for Government Service, known as Asian equivalent of the Nobel Prize. She was cited for bold and moral leadership in cleaning up a graft-ridden government agency. Most recently, she was the Philippine nominee supported by all the member states of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, for the International Court of Justice. Dr. Santiago is one of the most intellectually brilliant leaders that our country has ever seen. She earned the degree Bachelor of Arts, magna cum laude, and Bachelor of Laws, cum laude from the University of the Philippines. She went abroad and earned the graduate degrees of Master of Laws and Doctor of Science of Jurisprudence from the University of Michigan. She finished the academic requirement for the degree Master of Arts in Religious Studies at the Mary Hills School of Theology. In UP and in our university, Centro Escolar University, the perfect grade is 1. In her last undergraduate semester, Dr. Santiago earned the near perfect average grade of 1.1. And she finished her 4-year course in only 3.5 years. At the University of Michigan, she was a Barbour Scholar and DeWitt Fellow. She finished her master's degree in only 1 year. And her doctorate in only 6 months. Our guest speaker loves learning. She has done postdoctoral studies in all over the world, including Oxford University, Cambridge University, Harvard University, University of California at Berkeley, Stanford University, and Academy of Public International Law at the Peace Palace, the seat of the International Court of Justice at The Hague, Netherlands. Dr. Santiago was class valedictorian at all levels, elementary, high school, and college. She made history in UP when she became the first female editor-in-chief of the famous student newspaper, Philippine collegian, thus shattering a 50-year-old record of male dominance. She won as best debater in the annual UP Law Debate, where she was captain of the winning team. It is interesting that at the same time, she held a campus beauty title. Not once, but twice. Dr. Santiago holds an amazing record of excellence in all three branches of government: judicial, executive, and legislative. She has been presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court at Quezon City, Immigration Commissioner, and a cabinet member as Agrarian Reform Secretary. She was legal officer of the UN in Geneva, Switzerland, and a consultant of the Philippine Embassy in Washington, D.C. In all three branches of government, she has been showered with awards for being outstanding, making her the most awarded public official in our country today. For example, the Outstanding Young Men or TOY, the Outstanding Women in Nation Service or TOWNS, and the Most Outstanding Alumna in Law from UP. Dr. Santiago was a UP Law professor for some 10 years, teaching evening class after office hours. She has written some 30 books, many of which are very scholarly textbooks in law and the social sciences, well advanced of our time. She is considered the leading expert in her generation in constitutional law and in international law. In the Philippine Senate, where Dr. Santiago has served 3 terms, she filed the highest number of bills and authored some of the most important laws, such as the Biofuel Law, the Renewable Energy Act, the Magna Carta for Women, the International Humanitarian Law, and the Climate Change Act of 2009. She had been fearless in exposing and naming criminal suspects in legislative investigations, such as those related to the multi-billion illegal weapon industry, the 16 billion pesos road users tax, the 200 million pesos informations, and the 7 million peso Euro General scandals. When she was a student in UP Law School, one magazine dubbed her Supergirl of the State University. She is probably the public official whose face has graced the highest number of magazine covers. She has been featured by famous international publications, including Newsweek, Time, and the New York Times. She had been called the Incorruptible Lady, the Platinum Lady, the Tiger Lady, the Dragon Lady, the Iron Lady of Asia, the Queen of Popularity Polls, and the undisputed campus heroine. But to her million of fans, she is best known for the unique brand of charismatic leadership the media likes to call her Miriam Machi. In the year 1989, our university, Centro Escolar University, conferred the degree Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, when she was the chairman of the Commission of Immigration and Deportation. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to present to you the Honorable Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago.
enjoy the pleasure of your company this morning. I'm very, very busy and I've been ill. I've also been abroad, principally to meet the Dalai Lama on his request. So I have been declining speech invitations, except only from Centro Escolar University.